Yo, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in once again. This is Ghost with Nero Abarth, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And today we're gonna go ahead and be taking off some decals from my car. If you remember my car, how it looks, it has that Abarth decal on the bottom of my side of my car, left and right door. So I'm gonna go ahead and be removing that. I want to make my car look a little bit different without having to wrap the car. I mean, I want to wrap the car maybe in the future, but not for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and be removing that today. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you once again. What up, buddy? Wanna give me a paw? Shake, Max. Come on, don't be shy. Shake. Shake. Shake, Max. Come on. Yeah, what up, buddy? Good morning. And here we have Sasha, the queen of the house. What up, girl? Wanna give me a paw? Yeah? No? Maybe? Nah? Hi, you go back to sleep then. You're the queen of the house, aren't you? So, if you guys don't know, I have an older brother, and he drives a 2014 Mustang 5.0, and he decided to go to work and leave his car keys. So let's go ahead and do a quick startup on the cold idle, give it a couple revs, and yeah, sorry bro, I'm about to waste some of your gas for the vlog. Alrighty guys, so here she is. Let's go ahead and start her up. See the inside. Oh yeah, it's kind of weird how he's older but he's shorter than me. So I mean, I don't know if you can tell the steering wheel ratio to the freaking seat. Let's go ahead, pull the seat back.
A few moments later.
Dude, he's gonna hate me because I'm readjusting the seat just to get a rev. And then Max is right here somewhere. He's about to get scared. Alright, well, let's go ahead and put this bad boy on neutral. Sure she's on neutral. I'm gonna stick the camera actually out here. Alright, that's enough. My whole garage smells like carbon dioxide or monoxide, whatever that's called. Hey Max, were you here the whole entire time? Did I blow your eardrums? My bad, bro. As I clear this garage, I'm gonna go get started on my car, and let's go ahead and take out those decals and get it all dolled up. Alrighty, so we got the heat gun. I'm gonna go ahead and use the heat gun. I'm gonna use this pad cutting blade. That's pretty sharp, so I'm gonna use that to just slide right down, pull the sticker right off, and then if there's any residue left, I'm gonna go ahead and wax it and completely get rid of any residue, sticky, gooey stuff that's on it. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm actually a lot of blades, so show them what's going on. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it by hand and just poke it with my finger and hope for the best. So go ahead and get this heat gun started, and this is what I'm talking about, decals. I'm gonna remove this whole Abarth and just have it just with the red mirrors and then the black everything, obviously black interior, red calipers, and hopefully it looks clean. If not, then I guess I'll just get it wrapped, but hopefully it doesn't go to there because I don't want to pay for wrap. It's expensive, but it'll make the car look cleaner. So anyways, let's get started. Almost done with the first one, but I've noticed that the tape, I don't know if you can tell, or the decal, whatever you want to call it, it wraps around into the door. So if you want to do it the right way, just go ahead and open the door. That's where I'm at so far. Man, this thing's tiring, my fingers hurt, so let's keep on grinding, get it done. Whoa, I like that. That's a clean look. Alrighty guys, so after a good hour or so, she's finally done. Quick pro tip, when you take off the stickers and you have like some adhesive or whatever, like the sticky sticker gluey thing, whatever's on it, I use Glue Gun, I use WD-40, I waxed, none of that shit worked. The only thing that did work was rubbing alcohol. So rubbing alcohol, just like put some on it, start rubbing it, completely came off like magic. I don't know if it's bad for the paint. I mean, it made the paint shinier, so I'm guessing it might have took off some of the clear coat, but you know what? I'd rather do that and be done with it in the quicks than struggle and keep on wiping and wiping with the Glue Gun or the WD-40. So anyways, here's the final product, how it looks. I think it looks cleaner and fresh. I don't know, what do you guys think? So there you have it, guys. That's just an idea I had to do. I've seen a couple people do it, but I just want to be different, especially here in my area. I haven't seen anyone who's done that yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep like that for a while. Maybe in the future, save up for a wrap, or hopefully someone sponsors me to get a wrap. So yeah, guys, thanks y'all for tuning in once again. I kept this video nice and short, and yeah, guys, peace out.